Hi, welcome to our Microschool. In the morning, we start with daily devotion. It's awesome because both our in-person and online friends join in. We get one-on-one attention here. And we even help each other out with our studies. We have the coolest science experiments, like erupting volcanoes and dissecting sheep eyes. And we don't just stay indoors, we have outdoor fun too. Our co-op teaches us public speaking and so many other exciting courses. We even get to visit places like the courthouse and the state capitol to see civics in action. Our little ones are learning to read and write, and everyone is learning Latin, History 365, finance, and more. We also have music lessons and hands-on field trips. We are so excited about our 3-in-1 Learning Center. We are shaping the future of our students and families, and we want to help even more students reach their full potential. Can you help us? Please donate to our Basement to Building Fund at www.chesup.org. Thank you.